effects of text. Welcome to my Photoshop class. We are going to work on effects which we can apply to a text. First, we have to start with our Photoshop by clicking our start button and type the Photoshop. I the Photoshop from the menu. Click on the Photoshop. The computer will automatically load the Photoshop. This will take a little time. It's taking time to load Photoshop. Yes, you can now close this. Then we go to File. We go to New. We can start to use any width and any height, but in my case, I'm using 800 by 200. The width 800, while the height is 200, and I'll click OK. This is the page. This is the note page. I say that it's black and it's white. The reason why it's white because we have two here. We have the black and the white. This white is what we are seeing in the front. So, but I want this white to become black. To take the second option, I have to click on Control and my space bar. I say Control and my space bar to give me a black color. So it has applied the second options, which is the black in color. Then for me to type the text, I have to go to my text tool. This is the text tool here. You can see the text T. Click on it. Then I'll click inside the page. Then I'll type. But the font that I'm using is mostly Times New Roman because there are different fonts. You can see we have a series of fonts in our Photoshop. So I'm taking Times New Roman. So I'll start by typing good. And the good must be in capital letter. As it was good. Then this one, make sure that I'll check it. Then I use my move tools to move it to position. And I can also increase the size to make it want to see clearly. As you see the way I'm adjusting the text, I'm increasing the size of the text to make it bigger. And I'll check this. So this is how we design our good by typing it. Then I'll now go to layout. You can see the layout on the screen. I'll click on the layout. Then I'll move down to where I have the layout style. It's from this layout style that I will take any style that I like, which I want to apply to the text. You can see there are a series of styles here. We have blending options, we have drop shadow, we have inner shadow, we have etc. So I'm taking the first one, blending options. You can see I click the blending option. Okay. Like this my text here now that you can see on the screen. I want to apply color to it because different good come with different colors. There are some good that are shining good, while some will have a little bit color. So I want to apply color to the text. I will now move down to where I have gradient overlay. You can see the gradient overlay from the screen. Then I will double click on the gradient overlay. Then I'll now see the word gradient. This place here, I will double click on this platform here. The moment I double click it, let's pop up. Since I want a color,